We've got women in the women's movement that are saying we can't be giving family planning or contraceptive or abortion services to teenagers. You know, it can't be my child. And then already we disconnect. But someone has to constantly bring these issues to say, we are living in a digital world. Our children have got access to information. It is on us to give them the right kind of information. We debate issues on comprehensive sexuality education because of age, because what is appropriate. But if we don't say these things out, our children are still going to get this information elsewhere, and they're not going to make informed choices because the information is not right.